Hey guys, Lorena here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I set up this frozen theme fun decor with lace or doilies design. My client asked me to do a boy/girl kind of decoration and I came up with this idea, fun decor on frozen theme color. Making this fun decors is pretty much easy when you have a scoring board or a scoring pal. I will insert a photo of what a scoring board I'm talking about. If you are a crafter or onto DIYs, I highly recommend to pick up one of these for yourself. You can do many things of this scoring board or scoring pile like envelopes for card making, gift bag, and many others. And to set up these fun decors, we need to pre-arrange the fun decor on the board before gluing them so that you can have the visual or you pictured already how your backdrop looks like. So before gluing them on the board, I will just show you quickly the design one by one. It's cute, right? So here, time for the glue. All we need is hot glue gun and glue sticks. Then apply glue on the back of the fun decor and press the fun decor gently on the board till the glue dried out. This is now the next day. As you can tell, we are now set upping the backdrop frame with the white fabric and the blue fabric. So make sure guys the sharing is even. Then now we're going to insert the blue fabric. So here I used like a sheer see-through fabric. This fabric right here, the white one, I got it from Kmart. And the blue one, I got it from the second-hand store or op shop. We call it here op shop. For I think $5 each. It's very cheap. So if you're on the budget, you can go to the op shop and find your materials there. If you have a backdrop frame like mine, you just need to tie the backdrop board on the backdrop frame, and you make sure guys you have spare fan decors to fill in or cover the gap of the backdrop. Also, I used snowflakes for smaller gap just to cover up those spaces. For table decorations, for me, white fabric is the safest color to work with. Then accent the table with a little bit of color that matches with your theme so that the decoration will appear neat and clean and not overwhelming. Yes, if you do set up decoration, make it simple as much as possible. Don't overdo it so that your decoration will not look tacky or out of this world. Yeah. Actually, that's only my opinion. It's really up to you how you're going to deliver your decorations. There's no right or wrong here. So, yes. By the way, guys, I have tutorial of how to do this table skirting. I will link it in the description box. Also, I have another fun decor title elephant theme baby shower fun decor. Also, I will link it in the description box. Please check it out, and also materials and measurements and all will be listed in the description box. So yes. And for the accent of the table, guys, the materials that I've used here is roll of satin fabric. So you can buy them on eBay in different colors as much as you want. So here now my setup is finished. This decors right here is my spare fan decor. So I just attach it to the bare wall so that there is something going on that area. So when I do setup, guys, I normally have fairy lights on for the backdrop to have illumination effects and more fun. Alright guys, that's it for this frozen theme fun decor decoration video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also guys, please ring the bell for me so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a beauty related video or a DIY video like this one. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.